Hi! In this test, you need to choose the correct phrasal verb to replace the verbs that we have highlighted in these sentences. You will have a few seconds to answer. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. So let's begin. Question 1. Let's meet for lunch next Thursday. Is it A, get in, B, get together, or C, get along? It is in fact B, get together. Question 2. It took Elsie a long time to recover from the death of her dog. Is it A, get at, B, get by, or C, get over? Yes, it's C, get over. Question 3. I need to finish my assignment before lunchtime. I must continue and finish it. Is it A, get on, B, get in, or C, get by? The correct phrasal verb is A, get on. Question 4. Jill did not like the old carpet. She decided to discard it. Is it A, get away, B, get off, or C, get rid of? It is in fact C, get rid of. Question 5. I really don't want to go to that meeting. I will try to avoid it. Is it A, get out of, B, get away, or C, get off? The correct phrasal verb is A, get out of. Question 6. We need to board the 10 o'clock train. Is it A, get away, B, get on, or C, get off? It is in fact B, get on. So well done for completing this test. Don't forget to subscribe to receive more lessons and resources to support you with learning English. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.